Hello, 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 hello. Okay. एको हो रहा है, एक मिनट, 1 सेकेंड. Sorry guys, बुखार है तो you can expect some from me. 1 second. Audio, audio. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so I think we can start. So, okay, so yes, this is my first time on YouTube, and actually, I am. Let's start with a little bit of intro. So, my name is Devendra, and I am a system engineer at TCS basically, and and you know how working at TCS feel is like. I mean, you don't know basically if you are not in TCS. So every day it feels like that you are forgetting some part of whatever you learned in your BTech and before that, or even like in your internship, all your codings and stuff. Working at TCS like has made me think that I should start working on my skills as well as like start doing DSA again. So yeah, so this series is basically for DSA, and mostly we'll be focusing on like DP and graph like right now, and yeah. So it's not like I've not done DSA. I have done DSA, but uh, uh, I'm not a you know uh, regular in solving problems. So last time I solved problem, I don't know how many days it has been since I last solved a problem in lead code or like other coding platforms. So yeah, the main goal of this series of stream is to reaching my prime that I once had in coding, was somewhat of a coder myself, you know. So yeah, wait a second. The password is, yeah, I forgot the password. You know, it's been so long. I even forgot the password. What? Okay, so let me see. Damn. Okay, so you can see right here that the last problem I solved, I don't think I even solved it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I solved it. Solved it. It was 23 days ago, then a month ago, then 4 months, 5, 6, 7. I'm not a regular at this, but once was uh, like very into coding and DSA. It was like around my third year, I think. Yeah, I think yeah, it's around my third year. So basically, I want to reach that time of my life in coding. So yeah, we'll be starting with DP, and slowly we'll go to graphs and also some topics that I have problem with, like two pointers and binary search and all. So yeah, since this is a test stream, so I think uh, we'll start like not directly go into it. I'm thinking of following some kind of ST sheet, but yeah, we'll see. There are multiple options, like we have neat code, we have Striver sheet as well. So yeah, if you have any recommendation, please feel free to comment. Uh, but anyways, other than these like sheets, I'm thinking of solving problems in, you know, CS, CSCS as well. So I've solved a lot of problems in these, but I forgot most of the. Damn, what was the username? Damn, I forgot the password. Mm, what was the password? I don't remember it. Mm, what was the password? What was the password? Maybe this will work. Mm, maybe this will work. Oh yeah, it worked. Okay. So, mm, where is the problem set? Okay. So I have solved a lot of problems here. As you can see, there's still a lot of problems remaining. So I would like to finish them as well. So yeah, we have a lot to finish, and I think it will be a exciting journey for me and for you as well. I mean, if you are here, I don't think there's any viewers. But anyway, I wanted to do this because I don't want to procrastinate any further, for the past, let's say, 1 year, I've been procrastinating stuff. I'll do it next day, I'll do it tomorrow, something like that. And I haven't been able to, sit and solve problems like I used to do. I don't have the discipline anymore, so I want to sit. I want to be in discipline again. That is why I have started to stream basically. So yeah, today I'm thinking of solving like only two problems. Let's say I'm not feeling well, so looking at screen for like more than half an hour will have a negative effect. So yeah, okay. Let's start with DP. Okay. So for the for to set up the editor. Let's see. Let's set up the editor. Let's say stream minus 51. Not C plus plus. Okay. So I'll be writing code in C plus plus. Yeah. Let me set up the OBS quickly. Stream view to let's see. I'm not sure if you can see my screen, but I hope that it is visible now. Okay, let me add the camera. What? Why can't I? Like, Oh, it seems that I cannot. Okay, I got it. Oh, it seems that I cannot. Okay, got it. Editor Sublime. Sublime. Single window. Editor. Share. Sorry. Sorry, guys. What the fuck? Oh, okay. So that is how you do it. Okay, got it. Let me lock my camera. And mm, so let's read the question. Your task is to count the number of ways to construct some n by throwing a dice one or more times. Your task is to count the number of ways to construct some n by throwing a dice. Each throw produces an outcome between 1 and 6. For example, if n is equal to 3, there are 4 ways. Each throw produces an outcome between 1 and 6. For example, if n is equal to 3, there are 4 ways. Hmm. 1 plus 2 2 plus 1. This is kind of simple. Uh, Basically, we have to brute force. How do I explain it? How do I explain it so that so let's say our sum is like 5. So let's say our sum is like 5. For example, n is equal to 5. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the dice, right? So how many ways we can uh, roll the dice so that the numbers will sum up to 5? So uh, the one that is simple is that one will roll 5 times. We have 1 2 2. I'm not sure if we can count the, you know, for example, if 2 1 2 and 2 2 1, if all these are same or not, I'm not sure about that. So let's see the example. For input 3, the answer is 4. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this. 1 1 1, okay. 2 1, okay. Let's see how we can achieve this. 1 1 1, okay. 2 1, okay. 1 2. It's 3, right? It's 3, right? Okay. Maybe order does matter. Maybe order does matter. So what we can do is, what I'm thinking of doing is, I'll just run a loop till n. So for example, 1 to n, I'll just run a loop, and in that loop, what I'll do is, I'll try to make the or I'll check if I can roll a dice. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So I'll check if it is possible for the current I. So I'll check if it is possible for the current I to it is possible to create sum equal to current I from the dice, right? For I is equal to 1, only this can be done. So for we'll set dp I is equal to this only, right? And how the base cases and all that will work, we'll see. Okay, so first things first. uh, First things first. Thinking of a base case, what is the trivial solution for it? So if n is equal to 1, okay. If n is equal to 1, then there is only one way for it to one way we can do it, that is 1. That is the one base case. And for 0, I don't think 0 is an option. Yeah, there is no 0. Okay, second is how will the you know what do they say, what is it called, I forgot. What is this called, bro? I forgot so many things. This thing is a proper name. It transition, yeah, maybe we'll call that. I call that. So how the transition will happen? So for the dpi, so if you want the answer for nth sum, right? So we'll have to look for all the possible scenarios, right? So we have to check for if I roll a dice of 1, then what is the answer? And then roll a dice of 2, then what is the answer? And if I roll a dice of 3, then what is the answer? Like similarly, I'll have to do it for all 6 of them. I hope that it is easy. I hope that I was able to explain it, maybe. So for example, here n is equal to 3 in this case, right? So we'll run the loop. So for I is equal to 1, what will happen is this will work. So the answer will be, so the dp of 1 will be we'll run it from 2, let's say. Okay, so dp of 2 will be nothing but dp of 1 plus dp of 0 thing. What will be dp of 0? dp of 0, what will be dp of 0? Suppose we don't have any sum. If we don't have any sum, then also the ways we can achieve it is 1, right? That we don't have anything, that is also one way, right? So dp2 for I is equal to we already have dp0 is equal to dp1 is equal to 1. So we'll start from dp2, and this will be the summation of the last two. And for dp3, it will be nothing but dp what 1 plus dp2 plus dp 0 thing. So what will be the answer? This will give me 2, this will give me 4, I think. 2 1 1. Yeah, this should work. I mean, this have to work, this has to work. Okay, let me comment it out. This should work. I mean, this have to work, this has to work. Okay. So like, I don't need anything. And my typing is also got worse. I need last 6 states to be there, right? So I need last 6 states to be. No. We will have to just make it as n plus 1 size. We'll make an n plus 1 size vector. Let's not be cheap on memory. And okay, so how let's make a vector of n plus 1 size, all initialized with 0, and not v, dpr. Okay, then we'll give dp0 is equal to dp1 is equal to 1, and then we'll just run six j plus plus. If I minus j is greater than equal to 0, then only we'll do what? dpi plus equal to dpi minus j. Okay, and also since the number can be large, we need to also since the number can be large, we need to should I do it like this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I hope this is correct. Okay, then we'll just see out n. Let's see. Then we'll just see out error. What is the error? ID? Okay. F. What is the error? ID? Okay. What about the order? Is it also included in this or not? Let's check. For 4, we have answer as 8. Let's see. For 4, I think 1 1 1 1 should be there. 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 sorry 2 1 1 3 3 1 3 3 6 1 7 and 4. Yeah, it is included, I think. So let's submit it. I need to set the scene management properly. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to give the CPP file. Let's hope for the best. After so many time, still I have it in me, I think. But this question was also very easy, so there's no point in celebrating yet. Let's go to the second question. Consider a money system consisting of n coins. Each coin has a positive integer value. Your task is to produce a sum of available coins in such a way that the number of coins is minimal. For example, if the coins are 157 and the desired sum is 11, an optimal solution is 5 plus 5 plus 1, which requires 3 coin. Okay, so we'll need to store the count. I mean, not store the count, basically. Okay, we have n, x, and c1 value of coins. Hmm. Again, we can run a loop till x, right? And in that x, what we can do is we'll try to make that sum using the available coins. Okay, and I think the coins are infinite. Basically, yeah. So we can use the same coin again and again. So let me clean my board, and once again we'll go to oh fuck. Okay, for sum is equal to 11. Okay, now you are visible. Okay, for sum is equal to 11, we can create like with 11 coins, right? How many is it? 3, 6, 9. Damn, bro, just one mistake. We can also do something like this, but for the minimum we have to do it like this, right? There is no other option. For with 7 also, oh, we can't do it because we don't have the coins for 2. We can do it with 7 like this, but this is not the minimum here. So how do we proceed then? Okay, so hmm. Okay, again we'll start from 1, let's say 1, 2, whatever x we have. I will try to create that I from the available coins. For example, we have 1, 5 and 7 right now. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just loop, and then for whatever I we have, we'll just check if the current coin value is greater than this, basically less than it or not, and if it is, then we'll just add 1 to it, and then we'll whatever coin value it is. I think this no, I'm not sure if this will work. Since we need to calculate the minimum, right? So we can just do it like this, dpi. So in that case, I'll have to make the dp vector with the maximum value from the beginning. But will it work? Let's see. For 11, we have 11. Then we come to here. Then we'll go to dp 10. Okay. I'm not sure if we should go like in this order, or maybe I think we should go in this order. I think so. For x, what we'll do is dp of x. In this order, or maybe I think we should go in this order. I think so. For x, what we'll do is dp of x. But all the values are like this, so I'm not sure how will it will get updated. Let's not go with the 11 right now. Let's go with a simple example. Let's say if we have a coin of value 1. So we can see, right, that we already have a coin of value 1, so we can just make it using one coin only. Similarly, if we have 5 or 7, we can make them using one coin only. So that much is clear, I think. So by this I can come to a conclusion that dp of 0 should be 1. Oh, sorry, 0. Because what I am thinking is that when I want to make the x, so I'll do just like this: 1 plus dp of x minus whatever coin value is there. Also the minimum. Okay. So my brain is not braining. This is a very simple problem. I have solved it, but I don't know why. It just slipped off my mind. complex I'm making it out to be. So let's just solve it. It's just like the. I mean, I know it is Next app, and I can probably solve it using recursion, but I don't want to. I want to. It's just like the. I mean, I know it is Next app. I want to solve it directly using a 2D like loop. You know, the bottom approach. Bottom approach. I want to solve it directly using a 2D. I have in my mind like the you know layout. No, no, not layout. The how like the recursive solution will work. But I'm not. But I will not solve using a recursive solution. I'm looking for a. I'm trying to translate that recursion into a 2D right now. But in the process of it, I'm forgetting. Uh, do we need a 2D DB for this? I'm not sure. I thought I can do it using a single DB. But oh well, let's try the 2D DB. 2D DB approach is like I can think of, let's say, IG. So what this will represent is minimum coins needed to make some I from first j coins. Hello. I thought my voice was echoing. So, yeah, so this is what a state will be. Okay, let's go with the base case then. Base case. What will be the base case? See, there are two cases, right? If the sum is 0, okay, so no matter how many coins we use, it is not going to be minimum in any way, because you cannot make a positive integer sum equal to 0, so it will be infinity. Oh damn. Okay, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Then again, if you don't have any coin, sum is like there is some value that we have to make. Then in that case, if you don't have any coin, sum is like let's say coins is equal to 0, and then in that case, x is equal to 0, then our dp is equal to infinity, and in that case our dp is equal to 0. Okay, so this is this will be our base case. Okay. Okay, alright. So So what is the transition going to be like? Simple. We have I and j, and it will be nothing but dp I j 1 plus dp. We have the choice of picking the coin or not, right? But it is also the infinite type of thing, unbounded knapsack. So we can. We have the choice of picking the coin or not, right? But this is an unbounded knapsack, right? So we can do I minus whatever the coin value was. What was the coin value? Yeah, coin j, and stick to that same coin. We can do that, or I'm not sure if this is correct. No, it's correct. It's correct. Okay. We can do that, or this should work. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is correct. No, it's correct. Fuck this. This should work. Okay. What are my inputs? Let's see. Nx and then. Okay. What are my inputs? Let's see. Nx. I hate typing though. Coins. N. Yeah. And also. N plus 1, or maybe x plus 1, all of it initialized with 1 in 9. Maximum. We don't want the maximum. We want okay, for oh bhai. Let's set the base cases. For I is equal to 0, for I less than equal to what? I don't want to, let's see, I have a doubt. What if the sum is 0 and we don't have any coin? Then what will be the answer? Will it be 0 or 1? I like to think that it will be. What if the sum is 0 and we don't have any coin? Then what will be the answer? Will it be 0 or 1? I like to think that it will be. What if the sum is 0 and. Oh, never mind. There is no option of 0 here. So, okay. Anyway, we cannot make a 0. We cannot make 0. There is no option of 0 here. So, okay. Anyway, so yeah. We cannot make a. We cannot make 0. Let me put it with minus 1. This is going to a bottom up, right? So I don't think the minus 1 will affect that much. And anyway, we need to return minus 1 if in case we cannot produce a desired result. Okay, so I plus plus, and I'm just going to put it like put the put 0. If sum is 0 and 2, then for all n, there is no way we can make it. Make the desired result. And similarly, other base cases, we have 0, and then I will go from here to here, and dp x0 will be nothing but 0. Then we will 1 I less than equal to x, j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. I think this should work. If I minus coins j minus damn bro is greater than or equal to 0, in that case only we can make what? dp of ij is equal to minimum of dp ij 1 plus dp I minus coins j minus 1 j, and in the last we'll just see out dpx and using all the codes. Three 11 157. The fuck, minus 1, why? Oh, I hate this. dpxn bro, why is it working? mm-hmm. J is my coin, right? Okay, J is my coin. I mean, it is not going to change anything, but still. Let's go the reverse way. Why is it not working? Did I fuck up in base condition? Did I fuck up in base condition? Let's print the DP. There is no option here. Let's print the DP. We're not getting anything. We're not getting anything. The fact that the value of the coin is also the same as the, you know, the fact that the value of the coin same as the size of the coin value suggests that we can make the second dimension of this TP as the coin value itself instead of like making it for index as we are doing here. Somehow it is not working out, or yeah, it's mostly implementation fault, I think. Let's go once more. Did I even take the input for coin? Oh, damn. I didn't take the input for. Let's go. Did I even take the input for coin? Oh, I didn't take the input for. Let's go. Doesn't matter. The answer is still same. I choose the coin. Sorry. I choose the coin. Then the sum will. I choose the coin. Sorry. I choose the coin. Yeah, this thing is correct. Then the sum will. What if I don't choose the coin? So there will be no subtraction from here, and this will be here only. There is, I don't think there is a problem with this here. It has to be in this base case. It has to be in this base case. Just giving wrong answer for even question like this, right? Mm, this is not correct. Just giving wrong answer for even question like this, right? This is not correct. What am I missing in the base case? I don't know. What am I missing in the base case? I don't know. What am I missing in the base case? For all the zero sums, whatever coins we have will not to work. So if you want to make a sum equal to 0, then whatever coins we have, for all the zeros, just not going to work. So we'll have to put infinite coins there. So if you want to make a sum equal to 0, then whatever coins we have, for all the zeros, just not going to work. So we'll have to put infinite coins there. So if you want to make a sum equal to 0, then whatever coins. No, I think this should be the correct one, right? Hmm. This should be the correct one. Wait. What is the problem here, man? I don't know. The fuck? The fuck am I doing? Why is this X here? The fuck? The fuck am I doing? Why is this X here? Never mind. It didn't work. Sometimes you have to do it like that, so the code like works then. Okay, so if we have zero sum, then whatever coin we have will not work. Just going to give me 49. And if we have zero coins, then whatever sum we have just not going to work. I need to give 49. And if we have zero coins, then whatever sum we have just not going to work. stuck in this problem for like an hour, bro. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Stuck in this problem for like an hour. What Let me change the. It's not will not work. It will be the same. Let me change the. It's not will not work. It will be the same. I'm sure if I had solved it using like recursion, I would have already solved it, bro. Let's check for submissions. I'm sure if I had solved it using like recursion, I would have already solved it, bro. Let's check for submissions. I'm sure if I had solved it using recursion, let's check for submissions. You know what? There is no need for J. This thing is not doing anything. There is no change in it. You know what? There is no need for J. Fuck this. This thing is not doing anything. There is no change in it. Fuck this. I don't even need a 2DDB. I don't even need a 2DDB. I'm reaching my limit. I think this is it. Reaching my limit. I think this is it. If we have sum is equal to 0, then the answer will be 0 as well. If we have sum is equal to 0, then the answer will be 0 as well. If we have sum is equal to 0, then the answer will be 0 as well. I'm tired. Let's see. This is very similar to my last submission. I'm not sure like what went wrong in like implementing 2D DP. Yeah, as you can see, this is the last submission that I did. Very similar to my last submission. I don't know when. Yeah, 2024. Like what went wrong in like implementing 2D DP. Yeah, as you can see. Very similar. This is the last submission that I did. Very similar. But that was it for this stream. I think I cannot continue any further. Yeah. But that was it for this stream. I think I cannot continue any further. Yeah. So thank you for all who joined. Thank you to all who joined, and yeah, I'll try to continue this series daily, and also I'm planning on like doing some extra stuff on weekends, like maybe read some OS probability stuff like that. Oh, okay. So that was it. As you can see, I solved a problem after a lot of time, so I was only able to solve two problems in like this 2 hour stream. I don't know how much time. I think yeah, 1.5 hour. I was only able to solve two questions, so and those problems were also like very bad, very beginner level. So yeah, you can see my level right now, and that is why I given myself a target to reach my prime within that 51 days. So you can see the title, it is currently minus 51. So in tomorrow's stream, if we have, it will be minus 50. So yeah, I am hoping to reach somewhat of maybe like not prime but near prime level by the end of by the time I reach day zero. So that is my plan, and so yeah, uh, I'm not feeling well, so that is why I've kept it short, and otherwise I would have like gone a 4 hour stream, I think. Yeah, if yeah, that will be hmm, yeah, that would be perfect, I think. 4 hour stream, but today because I'm not feeling well, that is why it is 1.5 hour. So anyway, we are doing DP stream right now, so it will take a while. It will take a lot of time. So I think in between in weekends we can do like two pointers and stuff, which I'm very not weekend, just like I I I struggle in implementing the solution for two pointers basically. Two pointers with band research or something like that. So yeah. So graph, with there is graph. I solved a lot of problems in graph, but again, it has been a long time. So yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Code like I don't think it is. Uh, it is good enough for sharing. I think you can already you can easily solve this question. And anyway, no one asked, so I'm not like sharing the code link or whatever. Okay. Okay, also I need to work on my layout switching and all. Right now I'm living in living away from home, so I don't have a desktop, and I'm streaming from my laptop. That is why the camera quality is also so bad. And using a laptop also have like some disadvantage. There is not like multiple screens to switch off. You know, I don't know how audio quality is. I need to check that. The volume also. I need to check. This is kind of a test stream. Okay. It will be like this for a while, I think. At least next weekend I will not be streaming anything. After that, yeah, next to next weekend. No, this weekend. Okay, okay, next weekend. Next weekend, I think I'll try to set up this thing properly. But then we'll have a stream. Then there that day as well. Okay. So yeah, thanks for joining. Bye bye. Also, I hope that along with me, you also take this pledge, not pledge. Uh, I mean, like just it. I hope that you try to solve questions with me. I mean, I don't want you to be like just watching videos and doing not solving questions like I did for the past 1.5 whatever years. I don't know. I was I thought that just watching videos and like will be enough for me, but no, it is not. The moment you start typing things, your mind goes blank. You don't know where these things come from, where this comes from, where this will go, and all that. Especially in DP and all. Other things like sorting, searching, greedy things you can do. This DP and graph, if you forget the concepts, then it is over. You have to do it again. I've read graph for like 4 to 5 times in my BTech. I remember, but then again, this 6, 7, 8 months, whatever, let's just say 1 year of gap has made me forgot all those things, bro. I am not kidding. DP also I have like read for like two. I've also practiced it for 2 to 3 times, but it is gone. Nothing here. So yeah. Uh, Also, yeah, I don't think we can stream the contest, can we? Yeah, let's not get us into trouble. So anyway, uh, okay. Hmm. I was watching my stream there, so there. If you see my me pausing sometimes, it is because I'm looking at the phone, you know, to check whether the audio is correct. Sometimes like it echoes and what, so I pause my audio and try to discern things. But yeah, whatever. I hope you have a good night. And yeah, what do I say? Wanted to say sayonara, but no, I don't want to. It's so cringe. Anyway, good night, and I hope DP will come in your dreams. And yeah, that egg problem, I remember that egg and that night problem, bro. That keypad night problem from lead code. Yeah, I hope those two problems come in your mind when you sleep in your dreams. Thanks. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.